All right, let's talk about business. It's a huge word, right? But what if I told you the core idea is actually super simple? Let's break it down in about 60 seconds.
So what is business, really? I mean, we hear the word all the time. Forget all the complicated jargon for a minute, because at its heart, the whole concept is beautifully simple. Here it is. A business is just when people make or do something that's useful for other people, and then they get paid for it. That's it. That's the whole game.
You could honestly boil the entire thing down to this one simple exchange. I help you, you pay me. It's the foundation of pretty much every business you can think of.
So that's the idea. But what does it actually look like out in the real world? Come on, let's check out a few examples of business in action.
Okay, think about a classic lemonade stand. We've all seen one, right? You're selling a physical product, something tangible, something your customer can actually take with them. Or maybe you've got a drawing shop. This is a little different. You're selling a personal creation. An artist isn't just selling paper and ink, they're selling a piece of their unique skill.
Then you've got something like a toy repair shop. Now, here, you're not selling a thing at all. You're selling a service. You're using your skills to solve a problem for someone.
So whether it's a product, a creation, or a service, it really doesn't matter. Every single business, big or small, needs the same three essential ingredients to work.
You know, every business boils down to these three key parts. You need customers, the people who actually want what you've got. You need a product or service to sell them. And of course, you need a way to handle the money that comes in and goes out.
So when you strip it all away, just remember this. At its very heart, business isn't really about the money. It's about finding a way to help people.
And that just leaves one final thought for you. Forget about profit for just a second and ask yourself a simple question. What kind of help could you offer?